up, guys? I've had a little bit of a odd misfire with the XJ. So today we are going to be replacing the distributor cap and rotor, and that's what I think is going on because before I was checking my spark plug connections and I tapped on the distributor cap and it stopped for a little bit. So I think the rotor's bad. Um, I hear once in a while when it's old, it gets loose in there and it causes a misfire. So I went to O'Reilly's just now, picked up a cap and a rotor. We're gonna change it out real quick. So I don't know if it was coincidental, but we went off-roading and a little bit of mud and puddles occurred, and then it started doing it. So I changed the plugs, changed the plug wires because they've never been done on my watch anyway. So I figured, you know what, I better do it. So why not? I'm going to leave the plug wires attached to this distributor so I can easily put the new one on and then just mimic where they're at on this one, if you know what I mean. If that makes sense. So just undo the two screws on the side. Bring that up. This just pulls right off. And it has a guide inside of here, so you can only put it on one way. Here's the new. Right like that. So on this screw, the edge is curved. On the other screw, the edge is squared. Got me a little tube of dielectric connector grease. I am going to just add a little bit. That's a whole lot. To each post. Alright, so this one is this one. Alright, so Let's see how she does. The misfire only happened once in a while. Like I said, I tapped on the distributor cap and it would stop. Of course, I need fuel. So let's take her for a rip. Well, it's running better than ever now, so hopefully that's the problem. I think I got about 300 more horsepower after I changed plugs, plug wires, distributor, and cap. So yeah, it's running good. Let's see if my gas mileage improves. Changed my plugs and plug wires last week. Really haven't been anywhere. So we'll see. So at O'Reilly's for a house, distributor, cap, and rotor, you're looking at $35.68. That's pretty good, especially since it fixed the problem. I don't know. Like I told you before, it was a completely random misfire. Sometimes it would happen, sometimes it wouldn't. So I could drive it later on down the road while I'm getting gas and it act up. So keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you posted if that's the issue or not. Well, I go on one final drive to wrap this video up, and as soon as I pull in the driveway, it starts sputtering a little bit. So I'm not 100% sure if it fixed the issue. I've driven it 4 or 5 times already since I changed the cap and the rotor. I don't know, it's been running great other than when I just pulled in the driveway. So I don't know. I guess when it does do it, I'll take it over to O'Reilly's, see if they can diagnose it, and we'll go from there. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to do some research. So thanks for watching, guys. At least you know how to change a cap and rotor now, and we'll see you next time.